Okay, hello guys. So, how are you doing? Hello guys, good evening. Am I audible, guys? Okay, so today I'm going to start with a fresh topic which is time and work, and this is going to be my lecture number 1 on time and work, and I'll be mostly focusing on basics. So, guys, are you ready? Okay, so my name is Pratik Sir. I have done ME in IT and B in computers. Overall, I am having 7 years of teaching experience. I have scored 99 plus percentile in quant section for many times. So these are the agendas of today's session. First of all, we'll deal with basics, then traditional approach, and then we'll see shortcut on that. Hi Avinash, good evening. Hi Diksha. Hi Dinesh Kumar Saini. So if you really want to get notified related to timings, related to all the changes, and if you want notes of this sessions, then do join this chat group, which is Unacademy chat. You have to enter tinyurl.com/unacademy chat, and you will be redirected to a page in which you need to select cat, and you will be able to join Telegram app. Yeah, good evening. I am fine. I am fine. Good evening, Shivendra. Good evening, Pooja. So if you are really planning to attend CAT in a serious manner, I'll recommend you to join 12 and 24 months plan. Because if you'll join for 12 months program, then definitely we'll be providing you GDPI as well, which is quite important. And whenever you will use referral code as CAT plus, definitely you will be getting 10% additional discount. So let's start with today's topic, that is time and work. Hi Sonu, hi Muskan. Okay, I would like to welcome you Muskan as this is your first session. So most important point, time and work में ज़्यादा formula है ही नहीं. The only thing is that you have to remember is efficiency will be inversely proportional to time. Like अगर मैं बोलूं एक आदमी 2 वर्क कर सकता है 1 घंटे में और दूसरा आदमी 3 वर्क कर सकता है 1 घंटे में. दैट इज नथिंग बट efficiency of both the persons, that is 2 work per hour and 3 work per hour. So just try to think, if we have 6 work, definitely this A person will take 3 hours to complete this. After this time and work, I'll definitely start with ratio and proportion. Hi Nitesh. Hi Sonu. So just try to think, if there are total 6 works and we have to assign that work to A person, that means definitely A is going to take 3 hours to complete that work. And on the same way, B will take, let's say this person is B, so B will take 2 hours because obviously B can do 3 work per hour. So for 6 work, definitely you can say that B will take 2 hours. This is how we can interpret. So in terms of efficiency, since this is efficiency, I can say that in terms of efficiency, efficiency of A is less than efficiency of B, but work done. but time taken by A will be definitely greater than time taken by B. And that is how we can easily say that efficiency is inversely proportional to time taken. So I can solve each and every question of time and work with these two formulas. This is not a formula, this is just concept. So first formula that I am going to take, and that will be the last formula for time and work. Yeah, this session is for beginners actually. That's the reason I am taking basics. Good evening, good evening. So formula is M1, D1 and H1. M1, D1 and H1 is going to be divided by W1 is going to be equivalent to M2, D2 and H2 divided by W2. Where M is nothing but number of man, or in short you can say that manpower, D is number of days, H is number of hours for that they are working, and W is nothing for number of works that they are completing. So if I try to compare two scenarios, like if I say that these kind of question can be solved very easily whenever I use questions like दो आदमी एक काम को 3 दिन में कर सकता है तो 3 आदमी 2 काम को कितने दिन में करेगा. R is not given in this question, that means I'll neglect R. So for sure, as of now, you have to remember that M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 will be equivalent to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. The only thing that you have to remember is MDH masala. And obviously you will be done with time and work. According to rumors, obviously this is rumor as of now. I can't confirm you. As of now, जब तक official notification नहीं आता है, तब तक मैं confirm नहीं बता सकता. Abhinav. Till now, I have covered only two things, that is efficiency is inversely proportional to time taken, and M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 must be equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. And obviously, you can solve easy level of question by this formula only. The only thing that you have to know about time and work, that you have to solve time and work with your concept and with your concepts only. So as of now, EK, just try to write this one. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time taken, and M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 will be equivalent to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. That's it. So let's start with my first type of question. Actually, I have categorized each and every question of time and work into three types. So first type is going to be very easy type, and question is like this: if तीन मुर्गी 3 दिन में 3 अंडे देती है तो 6 मुर्गी 6 दिन में कितने अंडे देगी? This is my question, guys. This is the first question for you from time and work. अगर 3 मुर्गी 3 दिन में 3 अंडे देती है तो 6 मुर्गी 6 दिन में कितने अंडे देगी? Try to answer this question. I'll give you 10 seconds of time to solve this. Nitesh, if you are new, then definitely I suggest you to start watching my previous videos. In that videos, I have covered percentage, profit and loss, and basics of time and distance. That will be quite beneficial for you. Hi Harsh, your answer is 12. Let's see, sahi hai ya nahi? So definitely I can write answer as 3 hen in 3 days can give 3 eggs. So as of now, just try to think. सिर्फ मैं ये तुमसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं 3 मुर्गी 6 दिन में कितने अंडे देगी? And definitely your answer will be 6. Okay, all of you are correct. All of you are correct. All of you are correct. Hi, Sudesh. So just try to think. Whenever मैंने number of days double किया है, my productivity is increased by double. और double हो रहा है, increased by 100%. In the same fashion, if I say that 6 मुर्गी 3 दिन में कितने अंडे देगी, तो definitely your answer will be 6. And the reason is यहाँ पे तुमने number of employee बढ़ाया है by 100% और तुमने डबल किया है. So just try to think. जब तुमने number of days डबल किया तो भी प्रोडक्टिविटी डबल हो रहा है, जब तुमने नंबर ऑफ डेज डबल किया तो भी प्रोडक्टिविटी डबल हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. जब तुम दोनों डबल करोगे, दैट मीन्स व्हेनेवर आई विल आस्क यू 6 hen 6 days में कितने अंडे देगी, तो डेफिनेटली जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक. मैन पावर भी डबल हो रहा है एंड नंबर ऑफ डेज भी डबल हो रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली आंसर मस्ट बिकम 4 times एंड आंसर इज 12x. That is absolutely correct. So all of you were correct. All of you were correct. Avinash, Mansi, Diksha, all of you were correct. I can also solve this question by M1 D1 H1 divided by W1. That must be equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Obviously यहाँ पे number of R नहीं है, so I'll neglect this one. So 3 मुर्गी 3 दिन में, दिस इज 3 days, एल्स 3 egg, दैट मीन्स 6 मुर्गी 6 दिन में, हाउ मच eggs? तो डेफिनेटली दिस इज 3 and you can definitely write W2 as 36 by 3 and your answer is going to be 12x. Yeah, hi Sudesh, I'm fine. How are you? So let's see another question quickly. Question is 35 men can make 70 toys in 8 days by working 8 hours a day. How many days will 56 men need to make 84 toys by working 12 hours every day? And the only thing that you have to apply over here is M1 D1 H1 divided by W1, that must be equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2 and you will get your answer. So just try to answer me this guys. मैंने hints enough दे दिया है. Hints क्या, मैंने almost answer ही बता दिया है. The only thing is that you need to calculate that one. So firstly tell me guys, what will be your answer? Instead of M1, I can write 35. Just try to understand. Instead of D1, I can write 8 days. Since 8 days and 8 hours, both are 8. So that's the reason in terms of H1, I can write 8. And instead of W1, I can write 70. So by calculating this one, instead of M2, we can write 56. Instead of D2, since D2 तुम्हें निकालना है, instead of H2, you can write 12 over here, and this must be divided by 84. And obviously by calculating these two, you will get your answer as, this is nothing but 12. So obviously by calculating this one, this is going to be 2, this is going to be 4, and 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. So we'll divide it by 8. अगर मैंने 8 को 56 से divide किया, I'll get my answer as 7. एंड अगर मैंने 4 को 3 से डिवाइड किया और 12 से किया, आई विल गेट 3. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 21, एंड 21 को मैंने अगर 84 से डिवाइड किया, आई विल गेट 4. सो D2 का वैल्यू मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 4 days. And that is how you can attempt. This one is quite easy, guys. So all of you are correct. So there is the only thing is you have to use M1 D1 H1 divided by W1, and that must be equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. यहाँ पे M1 के जगह पे 35 में पुट कर रहा हूं, D1 के जगह पे 8 पुट कर रहा हूं, H1 that is R1. Since M is nothing but number of man, D is nothing but number of days, H is nothing but number of hours, and W is nothing but number of work. So that is how we are interpreting this one. M1 के जगह पे 35, D1 के जगह पे 8, H1 के जगह पे 8, W1 के जगह पे 70. Similarly, M2 के जगह पे 56, D2 के जगह पे D2 ही लेंगे because you have to find days, H2 के जगह पे 12, and definitely W2 के जगह पे 84. And obviously, if I do calculation in this one, that is 35 into 8 divided by 70, and that is equal to 56 into D2 into 12 and divided by 84, you will get D2 का value as definitely 4. This one is all about formula, guys. ट्रस्ट मी, मैं इसे यूनिटरी मेथड से भी सॉल्व कर सकता था, बट डेफिनेटली यूनिटरी मेथड से काफी टाइम लग जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक अ हैबिट. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि कहीं पे फॉर्मूला ही टफ हो. जहां पे फॉर्मूला से इजी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो रहा है, ट्राई टू यूज फॉर्मूला. जहां पे यूनिटरी मेथड और शॉर्टकट से क्वेश्चन का आंसर इजीली आ रहा है, ट्राई टू यूज शॉर्टकट और यूनिटरी मेथड. So it's totally up to you. We can solve these type of question by unitary method also. Like 35 men can make 70 toys in 8 days by working 8 hours. So I can definitely say that one man, one toy, one day. तो कितना hour लगेगा? And by that, with respect to this, we can easily calculate 56 men, 84 toys and 12 hour के लिए कितना होगा. So this is not important कि फॉर्मूला से ही सॉल्व करें. इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे ये है कि आंसर किससे इजी आ रहा है. जिससे भी आंसर इजी आ रहा है, दैट विल बी द बेस्ट मेथड फॉर यू गाइज. आई होप समझ में आ रहा है. सो लेट्स सी माई टाइप 2 क्वेश्चन. डेफिनेटली मैं टाइप से एक्सप्लेन आज करने वाला हूं कैसे सॉल्व करना है. सुदेश शर्मा, इस फॉर्मूले में कुछ है ही नहीं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर MDH मसाला, MDH masala, and you will be definitely able to remember this formula from now. The only thing you have to remember is MDH masala. So definitely W1 denominator में आ जाएगा. So now next question is 3 men or 2 women can complete a work in 12 days. Now guys, formula part is over now. फॉर्मूला उसी क्वेश्चन तक के लिए था, उसी टाइप के लिए था, टाइप 1 के लिए ही था. नाउ वी आर डीलिंग विथ टाइप 2. सो अब फॉर्मूला हम लोग बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखेंगे. विल जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन बाय लॉजिक. So 3 men or 2 women can complete a work in 12 days. In how many days a man and a woman can complete it? So as of now, in this question, just try to understand. Abhi solve mat karo. I'll explain this question to you. Can I say that efficiency of... No, your answer is wrong. जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक, अगर 3 men and 2 women को मैं बुला रहा हूं काम पे तो 12 days लगेंगे, एंड 1 man और 1 woman को मैं बुलाऊंगा तो 1 दिन लगेगा। 36/24 इज नथिंग बट 1.5 days। जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक ऑन दिस एस्पेक्ट। अगर मैं 2 women को बुला रहा हूं तो 12 days, और 3 men को बुला रहा हूं तो 12 days लग रहा है। तो दैट मीन्स अगर मैं 1 man और 1 woman को बुलाऊं तो 1.5 days में ही काम खत्म हो जाएगा। ऐसा कैसे होगा? जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक। नो नो नो, जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक, जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक। यहाँ पे 36 भी आंसर नहीं होगा। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस गाइज। Can I say that efficiency of 3 men will be equivalent to efficiency of 2 women? That means 3 आदमी मिलके जितना काम करेगा 2 women उतना ही मिलके काम करेगी। जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। इसके बाद मैं आंसर लूंगा, सभी से मैं आंसर लूंगा। डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी, सभी से मैं आंसर लूंगा गाइज। So my question is this: if 3 men, just try to understand this, मैं men and women दोनों के एस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व कर सकता हूं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मैन का प्रोस्पेक्टिव। Can I say that 3 men can complete a work in 12 days? So guys, if I ask you, 1 man can complete this work in how many days? Just try to answer me this guys। मुझे पूरा आंसर अभी नहीं चाहिए, मैंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है। All of you are wrong। Just answer me this: if 3 men can complete a piece of work in 12 days, then 1 man can complete that same work in how many days? Answer me this guys fastly। Once again, if 3 men can complete a piece of work in 12 days, okay, I am getting answer. First one is 4 days saying. So all of you are wrong, all of you are wrong। Just try to think, अगर 3 आदमी 12 दिन में काम को कर रहा है, 3 आदमी अगर 12 दिन में काम को कर रहा है, मैंने मैन पावर डिक्रीज किया। जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक, 3 आदमी एक प्रोजेक्ट पे लगे हैं और 12 डेज ले रहे हैं, मैंने मैन पावर रिड्यूस किया तो नंबर ऑफ डेज भी कम होगा क्या? जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक, जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक। डेफिनेटली आंसर मस्ट बी 36 डेज। अगर 3 आदमी एक काम को 12 डेज में कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली एक आदमी 36 डेज में करेगा। आई होप दिस मच इज अंडरस्टूड टू ऑल ऑफ यू। डेफिनेटली 12 से ज्यादा होगा गाइस, 12 से कम कैसे होगा? तो मैं 3 एम्प्लॉय क्यों हायर करूं? अगर 12 दिन से कम में हो रहा है तो मैं एक ही एम्प्लॉय में काम निपटा दूंगा, मेरे पास एम्प्लॉय भी कम आएंगे और नंबर ऑफ डेज भी कम लगेगा, तो मेरा फायदा है। मैं 3 एम्प्लॉय क्यों हायर करूं? So that's the reason answer must be 36 days, and this was the quite important aspect। So just try to think, can I interpret, just try to think, can I interpret 1 man and 1 woman? Since you have to find this one, can I interpret 1 man and 1 woman? Can I write 1 woman as, just try to think, can I write 1 woman as 3/2 of men? So can I write this one instead of this 1 woman? Can I write 1 man plus 3/2 of men? No, final answer is not 1, not 8. So just try to think, can I say that this is 1 and this is 1.5? So my question is 2.5 men can complete this one in how much days? Now I am getting correct answer. Now I am getting correct answer. I got first correct answer from Manav। So the only thing, हमेशा यूनिटरी मेथड तुम्हारे हिसाब से नहीं चलेगा। If 3 men can do a piece of work in 12 days, that means अगर तुमने मैन पावर रिड्यूस किया, डेफिनेटली नंबर ऑफ डेज इंक्रीज होगा. मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूं, efficiency is inversely proportional to number of time taken. Okay, so just अब यहां से यहां के लिए जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक फ्रॉम दीज टू. मैन पावर मैंने इंक्रीज किया है, तो डेफिनेटली नंबर ऑफ डेज जो है वो डिक्रीज होगा. एंड माय आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 36 by 2.5, which is nothing but 36 360 divided by 25. अगर मैं 5 से कैंसिल करूं तो आई विल गेट 72, और 72 को मैं 5 से कैंसिल करूं आई विल गेट आंसर एज 14.4 days. And this is my final answer, guys. 14.4 days. I hope this much is understood to all of you. The only thing you have to use some brain. ऐसा नहीं ब्लाइंडली में आंसर कर दो, क्योंकि आंसर जो पहले के थे, आंसर किसी का 4 आ रहा है, किसी का 6 आ रहा है, किसी का 10 days आ रहा है, किसी का कुछ आ रहा है. सो यूज सम ब्रेन गाइस. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी कर दो. आई होप ये समझ में आया है. अगर नहीं आया देन टेल मी, मैं फिर से लूंगा. So as of now, we'll see next question based on this aspect. 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days, while 3 men and 7 women can complete it in 10 days. In how many days will 10 women complete it? So all of you, Manav, Gautam, Naina, all of you were correct. Just try to read this question, guys. 3 men or 2 women can complete a piece of work in 12 days. In how many days a man and a woman can complete it? That means my question is like this. 3 men or women? 3 men. 3 men is equal to 2 women. And my question is, अगर मैंने 3 men consider किया, that means definitely that can complete the work in 12 days. So 1 man will definitely complete this work in 36 days. So just try to think. You have to find 1 man and 1 woman will complete this one. Since मैंने ये भी man के respect में लिया है, ये भी man के respect में लिया है, so definitely I'll try to convert this women in terms of man. From this, can I write 1 woman will be equivalent to 3 by 2 of men? So can I write 1 man? Can I write 1 man and 1 woman as 1 man plus 3 by 2 men? That is going to be 5 by 2 men, and ultimately I can write this one as 2.5 men. So in how many days that 2.5 men? Since यहाँ से यहाँ मैंने मैन पावर इंक्रीज किया है, जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक. यहाँ से यहाँ पे मैंने मैन पावर डिक्रीज किया तो नंबर ऑफ डेज इंक्रीज होगा. ओके मानव, आई गॉट योर पॉइंट. एंड यहां से यहाँ पे मैंने 1 मैन से 2.5 मैन मैंने नंबर ऑफ मैन इंक्रीज किया है, तो डेफिनेटली नंबर ऑफ डेज डिक्रीज होगा. टू इंक्रीज मल्टीप्लाई, टू डिक्रीज डिवाइड. And whenever we'll divide 36 by 2.5, we'll get answer as 14.4 days. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Okay, next question. 4 men and 6 women can complete a piece of work in 8 days, while 3 men and 7 women can complete it in 10 days. In how many days will 10 women can complete it? Just try to think. 4 men and 6 women can complete a piece of work in 8 days. This is equation number first. And second equation is 3 men and 7 women can complete this one in 10 days. So what we can interpret from this point, guys? Can I say that? Just try to think a little bit. 32 men. जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक, अगर 4 आदमी को मैं 8 डेज बुलाने के जगह पे अगर एक ही दिन, क्योंकि द थिंग इज वाइल सॉल्विंग टाइम एंड वर्क तुम्हें एक दो चीज अज्यूम करना ही होगा जो कि प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में नहीं होता है. हर दिन काम इक्वल हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स हर दिन इफिशिएंसी सेम है, बट प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में ऐसा होता नहीं है. अगर मुझे कोई काम 10 दिन में करना है तो पहला 2 दिन तो सोचने में ही निकल जाएगा, बट यहाँ पे ये अजम्पशन है कि ऑल ऑफ डेज जो भी सारे जो काम कर रहे हैं सारे दिन एक ही अमाउंट ऑफ काम करेंगे. दैट्स द रीजन टाइम एंड वर्क इज प्योर मैथमेटिकल, नॉट प्रैक्टिकल. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक, अगर 4 आदमी को 8 दिन बुलाने के जगह पे अगर मैं 32 मेन को एक ही दिन बुला लूं, दैट मीन्स 4 4 4, अगर मैं 8 करूं तो 32, एंड 6 वुमेन को एक दिन बुलाने के जगह पे मैं 8 दिन बुला लूं, दैट मीन्स 48 वुमेन को एक दिन बुला लूं. कैन आई से दैट आई कैन फिनिश दिस वर्क इन 1 डे? एंड बेस्ड ऑन सेम एस्पेक्ट, इफ आई से दैट 30 मेन को एंड 70 वुमेन को मैं एक दिन बुला लूं तो मेरा काम हो जाएगा. ओके, इंटरेक्ट कर लू. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक दीज टू एस्पेक्ट. मेरे पास एक ही घंटा है, मैं इंटरेक्ट भी करूंगा आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ योर आंसर इज करेक्ट मानव, नाउ योर आंसर इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. So just try to think, 32 men and 48 women can finish this work in 1 day, and 30 men and 70 women can finish this work in 1 day. Is it possible for me to write that 32 men plus 48 women will be equivalent to 30 men plus 70 women? So definitely by equating these two, I can say that 2 men will be equivalent to 22 women. That means 1 man will be equivalent to 11 women. This is what we can interpret easily, guys. So just try to think a little bit in this question. If I interpret 1 man के जगह पे 11 women, since my equation is 4 men plus 6 women can finish this work in 8 days. So can I interpret this 4 man as 44 women plus 6 women can complete this work in 8 days? So definitely 50 women can complete a piece of work in 8 days. I can definitely say this. So one woman can complete this one in 400 days. Since मैंने मैन पावर रिड्यूस किया है, that means number of days will definitely increase. So now my question is, in how many days will 10 women can complete it? Since क्वेश्चन women से related था, that's the reason सभी मैन को मैंने convert कर लिया in terms of women. So definitely 10 women can be written as, since number of women is increased by 9, so definitely is now becoming 10. So definitely we must divide this one by 10, and whenever we'll divide this one by 10, I'll get 40 days as my answer. I hope this much is understood to all of you. Okay, once again, just try to think over here. इसका मतलब ये है 4 men and 6 women को मैं अगर काम पे रखूं तो 8 डेज में काम खत्म हो जाएगा. 40 men and 6 women को अगर मैं रखूं तो 8 डेज में मेरा काम खत्म होगा. बट इंस्टीड ऑफ दिस, हाँ मैं बता रहा हूं कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं हाइड्रा, डोंट वरी. जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक, इंस्टीड ऑफ 4 men, अगर मैं 4 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 8, दैट मीन्स अगर 4 men को मैं 8 डेज काम पे रख रहा हूं, सो डेफिनेटली अगर मैं बोलूं 4 men के जगह पे अगर मैं 32 men रखूं, दैट मीन्स 4 4 4 फॉर ईच डेज, फॉर ईच 8 days, and 6 6 6 for each 8 days, that means definitely I can say that 32 men and 48 women can finish this one in one day. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Now the thing is, यहां पर से बाय इक्वेटिंग दीज टू, सिंस ये भी मिलके एक दिन में काम खत्म कर रहे हैं और ये दोनों जो ग्रुप है वो भी मिलके एक दिन में काम खत्म कर देगा, सिंस वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस विथ 10. नाउ एज ऑफ नाउ यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस विथ 8 एंड दिस वन विथ 10, तभी तुम्हें एक दिन का काम मिलेगा. सो 30 men and 70 women can also complete this work in one day. So now I can equate these two. By equating these two, definitely I can say that 2 men will be equivalent to 22 women. That means 1 man will be equivalent to 11 women. And that is how we are interpreting this one. So just try to think. My question is somehow related to 10 women can complete this work in how many days? So just try to think. 4 men and 6 women can complete this one in 8 days. So definitely 1 man can be written as 11 women. So 4 men can be written as 44 women. Plus 6 women can do this one in 8 days. I can also write this. That means 50 women can complete a piece of work in 8 days. So 1 woman will do this one in 400 days. So definitely 10 women will do this one in 40 days. And that is how we can get my answer easily. So let's start with type 3, guys. And this type is quite familiar in CAT examinations. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत CAT में आते हैं. Question is, A can complete a piece of work in 10 days and B can do it in 20 days. If they work together, how long it will take to complete the work? And definitely you can say that A is taking 10 days, B is taking 20 days. That means ऐसा नहीं होगा. Answer will be 10 plus 20 divided by 2. This is not like this. This is wrong approach और ऐसा नहीं होगा. So the method that you know is, you can add efficiency. I can say that efficiency of A is 1 by 10. Efficiency of B is 1 by 20. Don't worry, this is just traditional approach. मैं इसका शॉर्टकट भी एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं. नहीं 15 नहीं होगा नितेश. जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक. अगर ए अकेला 10 दिन में कर रहा है, बी को मैंने हेल्प करने के लिए बुलाया है. जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक. ए 10 दिन में काम को खत्म कर सकता है, बी को मैंने हेल्प करने के लिए बुलाया है, तो डेफिनेटली 10 से कम दिन लगना चाहिए. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट दिनेश, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। मैं शॉर्टकट भी बताऊंगा गाइस, दिस इज जस्ट ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच जैसे तुम सॉल्व कर रहे हो। सो एज ऑफ नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू गेट दिस, इसके बाद में जो शॉर्टकट बताऊंगा उससे काफी इजी हो जाएगा आंसर। Efficiency of A plus B, combined efficiency of A and B can be written as 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. Yeah, you are also correct, Aditya. Answer is 20 by 3. So this is going to be, if I take 20 as LCM, this will be 2 plus 1, and this is going to be 3 by 20. Just try to think, अगर 20 काम है, इफिशियंसी का मतलब क्या है? एक दिन में 3 काम हो रहा है, 2 दिन में 6 होगा। सिमिलरली 6 दिन में, एक दिन में 3 काम, 2 दिन में 6 काम, सिमिलरली 6 दिन में 18 काम होगा। दैट मीन्स डेफिनेटली आई कैन से दैट। Yeah, absolutely correct, Indusina. Your answer is correct. 6.6 days will be your answer. Will be correct answer actually. So efficiency is 3 by 20. And earlier we have told, I have told you that efficiency is inversely proportional to number of time taken. So can I say that time taken by A plus B will be nothing but 20 by 3, and that is going to be 6.67 days, which is nothing but 6 दिन पूरा और 1 दिन का 2 by 3 part. How come hour and minute करो ना? This must be days. This must be days. I am talking about days, not time. Not hour actually. So just try to think like this. A can complete a work in 10 days and B can complete a work in 20 days. This is also known as guys LCM approach, जो कि मैं बताने वाला हूं। जय श्री राम अतुल। So 10 and 20 days, we have to assume a number, and that will act as your work actually. So let's suppose दोनों का common multiple. I can assume 20, 40, 60, 80, whatever you want, but that must be multiple of both 10 and 20. So let's suppose अगर मैंने 40 days assume कर लिया, 40 days नहीं, you have to assume 40 chairs. Let's suppose तुम्हें 40 chairs बनाने हैं. Okay, it's okay करो ना. Let's suppose 40 chairs बनाने हैं. A is taking 10 days and B is taking 20 days. So just try to think. We will just try to find 1 day work. Can I say that since A is taking 10 days and I have assumed that total number of chair must be 40. So can I say that A can make 4 chair per day? And similarly, since B is taking 20 days and B has to also make 40 chairs, so can I say that B can make 2 chair per day? Yes, Ramvilas Kushwaha, good evening. So just try to think as of now. वहां पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तुमने वर्क को एक अज्यूम कर लिया है, बट किसने बोला है एक अज्यूम करना है? तुम्हें जब अज्यूम करना है तो यू हैव टू अज्यूम दैट मच वर्क जो तुम्हारे कैलकुलेशन के लिए इजी हो। आंख बंद करके नहीं, ये मेरा फेवरेट नंबर है, मैं वर्क ये अज्यूम कर लूं। वर्क मस्ट बी मल्टीपल ऑफ बोथ द डेज, और अगर 3 आदमी है तो तीनों का मल्टीपल मैं अज्यूम कर लूंगा। दैट मीन्स एक दिन में अगर मैं बोलूं ए और बी दोनों मिलके, कैन आई से दैट 6 चेयर कंप्लीट कर सकता है एक दिन में? सिंस ए विल मेक 4 चेयर एंड बी विल मेक 2 चेयर पर डे, दैट मीन्स ए एंड बी बोथ विल मेक 6 चेयर पर डे। तो एक दिन में 6 चेयर बन रहा है। टोटल चेयर मुझे बनाना कितना है? 40। कैन आई से दैट माय आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 40 by 6? लाइक मुझे 2 चेयर बनाना है और एक दिन में मैं 1 चेयर बना सकता हूं, दैट मीन्स मुझे डेफिनेटली 2 divided by 1 डेज लगेगा। So can I say that my answer will be 20 by 3, and which is nothing but 6.67, guys. 4 by 3. How come 4 by 3? This must be 40 by 6. 40 by 6, Nitesh. Just try to think 40 chair अगर है 20 days में बन रहा है, that means definitely in one day B can make 2 chair per day. So answer must be 40 by 6, guys. Try to answer this question, guys. A can complete a piece of work in 15 days. B can do it in 30 days. They started working together, but after 2 days, B left. मतलब दोनों ने काम करना स्टार्ट किया, बट एग्जैक्टली जब 2 दिन खत्म हुआ, बी छोड़ के चला गया. हाउ मेनी मोर डेज इट विल टेक टू कंप्लीट द वर्क? वंस अगेन वी जस्ट, अगर मैं ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच से सॉल्व करूं 1/15 एंड 1/20 30 लेके, तो डेफिनेटली थोड़ा लेंदी हो जाएगा. Okay, 20, if you'll assume 20 as your total work, let's try to think 20. And अगर मैंने 10 and 20 लिया है, तो डेफिनेटली 10 डेज में 20 चेयर, दैट मीन्स एक दिन में 2 चेयर पर डे. यहाँ पे 1 चेयर पर डे, दैट मीन्स total chair must be 3 chair, Muskan, and answer must be 20 by 3. This is how you can deal with this kind of questions. So quickly, guys, quickly answer me this question. Yeah, Raj Patel, you asked a very nice question. You can start solving RS Agrawal. That will build your concept. But I suggest you don't look answers of RS Agrawal book. Just try to solve it by yourself only. My question is more days, guys. How many more days? So just try to think like this. A is taking 15 days to complete a work. B takes 30 days to complete a work. That means common multiple is 30. मैंने 30 let's suppose अभी table assume कर लिया. 30 tables बनाना है. So A can make 2 table per day. B can make 1 table per day. This is what we can get. If you assume 60, that means that will be same multiple. अगर तुमने 60 assume किया, 10, 20 and let's say this is 60, so you can make 6 chair per day. You can make 3 chair per day. So 60 by 9, you will get 60 by 9, which is ultimately 20 by 3, guys. Yeah, now you're correct. Now your answer is correct. Dinesh Kumar Saini was the first who answered it correctly. So just try to think. एक दिन में दोनों मिलके 3 टेबल बना रहे हैं. 2 दिन दोनों ने इकट्ठा काम किया. तो in those 2 days, both can make 6 tables. And still 24 tables are left. जो किसे बनाना है? Obviously A को बनाना है. A can make 2 table per day. See, this is this much easy. 2 दिन में 6 टेबल बन गए, दैट मीन्स 24 टेबल इज लेफ्ट. नाउ अब ए को ही बनाना है 24 टेबल, दैट मीन्स 24 टेबल बनाने के लिए ए को 24/2, दैट मीन्स 12 डेज एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा. अगर मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा होता टोटल दिन कितना लगेगा, तो 14 वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. बट माय क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी मोर डेज विल बी रिक्वायर्ड, सो आंसर विल बी 12. थैंक्स राज. हाँ, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन का मैंने क्लास नहीं लिया है. आफ्टर दिस, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग टाइम एंड वर्क, आई मेक श्योर कि मैं रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन लूं. डेफिनेटली मैं रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन ही लूंगा. विवेक, फॉर दैट यू नीड टू टेल मी योर बैकग्राउंड, तुम्हारा बैकग्राउंड क्या है? आर यू फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड और आर यू फ्रॉम नॉन इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड? कैट में करंट अफेयर्स नहीं आता है, 12 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So these questions are now homework for you. Make a screenshot of these two, or after this class will get over, you can watch recording, and remaining all 4 questions are homework for you. This one is also homework for you. So try to attempt these 4 questions, and we'll meet in next class. So for non-engineers, as of now, I suggest you to start with 9, 10th, 8, 9, 10th का NCERT book. For you also, Vivek, just try to get NCERT of 8, 9 and 10th and start solving that question, or start reading that concept. And after that, switch to Arun Sharma sir ka book. Thank you, Mansi Malik. So these questions are homework for you guys. First, this one is almost similar to the previous question जो हम लोगों ने देखा. चलो एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर ही लेते हैं. लेट्स सी. ये तो 2 days वाला ही है, बट बिफोर है. सो लेट्स सी. मैं फास्टली थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, सो बी अटेंटिव. A is taking 14 days, B is taking 21 days. I definitely, since this is in the ratio of 2:3, तो definitely 6 का मल्टीपल और 3 का मल्टीपल मैं 42 अज्यूम कर सकता हूँ. 42 चेयर्स बनाना है. A can make 3 chair per day, B can make 2 chair per day. That means definitely दोनों मिलके 5 chair per day बना सकते हैं. This is just data, यहाँ पे required नहीं है. So just try to think. Question is, they started working together, but B lives 2 days before the completion of work. Okay, thank you, Akash. Can I say that if A is working for X days, B will definitely work for X minus 2 days, because B left 2 days prior to the day in which the work is getting finished. So can I say that? Just try to think. 3 is the efficiency. That means 3 chair can be manufactured in 1 day, and A is working for X day. That means A can make 3x chair in total, where B can make 2x minus 2 chair, and this total must be equal to 42. Okay, fine. So definitely I can say that 5x minus 4 will be equivalent to 42. So 5x will be 46. So x ka value will be 46 divided by 5, and you will get 9.2. So you are getting x ka value as 9.2 guys. इसकी पीडीएफ इस क्लास के बाद यहीं पे अपलोड हो जाएगा, और टेलीग्राम ऐप पे भी अपलोड हो जाएगा. So for PDF, do join that Telegram app जो मैं आगे बताने वाला हूँ. That means X is working. That means A is working for 9.2 days. That means definitely this is all about A. A ने एक दिन काम किया है. B will definitely work for 7.2 days. And that is going to be my answer. The Remixo, you got answer correct, but you have to subtract it by 2. Endusina, your answer is incorrect. I'm sorry, your answer is incorrect. So as of now, these 3 questions, make a screenshot of this, or after this session you can watch recording and you can get these questions for your practice. Do practice well for time and work. So these are the benefits of Unacademy subscription, guys. Surely तुम नहीं चाहोगे कि कोई भी एक पॉइंट बच जाए सो दैट मैं स्कोर कम करूं इन कैट. So for that, you need to do something. You need to join Unacademy. As of now, I suggest you to download Unacademy app and for couple of days watch करो कि क्या हो रहा है Unacademy app पे. And these are the benefits of Unacademy subscription. You will be able to attend live class. You will be able to interact with educator. You will be able to get polls and leaderboard, which is quite important. Let's suppose अगर एक क्वेश्चन का मैं ऑप्शन दे रहा हूँ, let's say A B C D, और मुझे पता चल रहा है और तुम्हें भी पता चल रहा है कि तुमने फास्ट आंसर किया या किसने फास्ट आंसर किया है. That means there will be a competitive like माहौल होगा. एंड ऑब्वियसली जहां पे भी कंपटीशन होगा थोड़ा तुम भी फास्ट सॉल्व करने का कोशिश करोगे. You will be able to take test series and analysis based on that. You will be able to clear your doubt in a particular live session, which is also known as special session. As of now यहाँ पे doubt solve करने का कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है, but we are actually planning for doubt solving sessions also. And this feature will be also available for Unacademy on Unacademy Plus. So step number 1 is you have to search Unacademy learning app, जो कि काफी easily मिल जाएगा guys. Then install it. Then next step is you need to select Plus. Then you need to select CAT. Then you need to select Get subscription. And after that you will be able. It's okay in this enough. Step number 6 is you need to select plan, but if you are really targeting CAT 20 or CAT 21, I suggest you to go for these two. This is quite feasible amount, 875 per month. It's quite feasible, and whenever you will use referral code as CAT plus, you will get 10% discount on this. So my suggestion is do join this. Unacademy is also available for NEET, JEE, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So anyone needs these kind of help in NEET, JEE, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So do recommend this Unacademy YouTube channel, guys. This is free of cost. This YouTube channel is free of cost, guys. So if you really liked my video, then subscribe this channel and click the bell icon, so that you will get notification of every session. And after this session, Shriti ma'am is going to take VA and RC. So show some same type of energy in that session also. अगर समझ में आया है तो like करो मेरा वीडियो and share it among your friends. So as of now, thank you guys.